In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Exness copy trading on mobile, from sign up to monitoring your copied trades. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start, what to look for in a trader, and how to manage your risk as you go. First, grab the Exness copy trading app from your device's app store. Make sure you're downloading the official app for iOS or Android. Once it's installed, open it and create your Exness account if you don't already have one. Follow the on-screen prompts to register, and keep your login details secure. If the app asks for basic profile confirmations, complete them so you're ready to deposit and copy without delays. Next, fund your account. Log in, go to your profile or wallet, and look for the deposit option. Choose the payment method that suits you, such as an e-wallet or a bank transfer. Pay attention to processing times, potential fees, and the currency you're depositing in so you know what to expect. When the transaction completes, confirm that your funds appear in your wallet or trading balance. If the balance hasn't updated yet, give it a moment or refresh the app. Now it's time to find a pro trader to copy. Browse the list inside the app and review each trader's performance, risk score, and trading style. Don't just focus on headline returns. Check how consistent they've been, their maximum drawdown, and the markets they trade. Make sure their approach aligns with your goals and risk tolerance, whether you prefer steady, lower risk strategies or you're comfortable with more volatility. When you're ready, select a trader and tap copy. Set the amount you want to invest, starting small if you're new to copy trading. Configure your risk controls before you confirm. This is where you can set a stop loss for the copied strategy, helping cap potential losses. Many platforms use proportional copying, which means your trade sizes will scale relative to your investment. Link your chosen funds to that trader, and the app will begin mirroring their new trades automatically. From here, keep an eye on things. The app lets you track copied positions in real time and see overall performance. If market conditions change or you're not comfortable with the results, you can adjust your settings, change your investment amount, or stop copying at any time. Remember, you remain in control. Consider reviewing results on a schedule, daily or weekly, to stay informed without overreacting to normal market fluctuations. That's it. Install, deposit, choose a suitable pro trader, start copying with sensible risk settings, and monitor your progress. Trade responsibly, and I'll see you in the next one.